Different sizes. That's really convenient.
Yeah.
He's changing the size.
Yeah,
Look,
you have adjustable size.
Really awesome. Oh, really cool. Let's say your fry pan is 10-inch. Move it a little bit, prepare it before you open it. Then you take the out part, pop it in like this. All the oil gets in here and later you dispose this one.
So yeah, definitely I will buy it for my mom, for example.
Very, very good idea. Awesome. Very good. Wow, that's cool.
Without touching your hair.
So this is basically like a filter, would you say?
Yeah, filter.
Now we come here to the next product. Here we have it. This is actually just for one-time use. There's 6 pieces in one pack. You put it down in your drain. As you do this product bends. Here, this part gets all the hair and the dirt. You pull it out again. You saw that? So this is our second product. What do we have here? It's not the same as before, yeah? This is a little bit different. Cool.
Woo!
So there we have it. Here you go.
Oh, nice.
And then you have all these hooks, catch all the hair. And in 2 weeks you take it out, just like this. It's just easily disposed. Cool, so we want to open and show you this product. There are 18 pieces inside, really easy to use. All you have to do is, if this is the hole of your pipe, your drain that you want to keep clean, this works as a filter. You put it on top, it stays like this. And as soon as you notice, oh, there's no more water going down, all you have to do is like touch this little thing here and you can pop it out and also dispose it. Okay, here we have our awesome products one more time. Keeping your pipes safe and always water will go down smoothly. You see, we finished off with this one that prevents hair and old dirt going in your shower or in your kitchen drain. Beautiful presents for your family or your close friends.